What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about how you can get started on Fiverr in 2024 and start making money from your skills. Fiverr has become a top platform for freelancers, and there's never been a better time to jump in. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to make some extra cash, this guide is for you. Let's kick things off with the basics. Setting up your Fiverr account. It's super easy, and the great thing is that it's completely free. First, head to fiverr.com and click join in the top right corner. You can sign up with your email, Google, or even your Facebook account. Once you're signed in, it's time to create a strong profile. Think of this as your digital business card. Add a clear profile picture and write a short bio about your skills and experience, and make it engaging to attract potential clients. Now that your account is set up, it's time to decide which gig categories you want to work in. Fiverr has tons of options, from graphic design and writing to video editing, voiceovers, and much more. When choosing your category, think about your strengths and the type of work you enjoy. Look at what's in demand and consider any skills you can build on. For example, if you have a knack for writing, consider gigs like blog writing, copywriting, or social media captions. Alright, here comes the exciting part. Creating your first gig. Gigs are how you showcase your services to potential clients. Go to your dashboard, click on Create a New Gig, and fill out the gig title, category, and search tags. When writing your gig title, keep it clear and descriptive, like I will design a professional logo for your business. Then choose the right category and tags to help your gig get found in searches. The more specific, the better. Your gig description is where you really sell your services. Be clear about what you're offering, what clients can expect, and any unique skills you bring to the table. Use friendly, professional language and keep it straightforward. Think of it as answering the client's questions. For example, why should I choose you? Highlight what makes you unique and how you will deliver value. Don't forget to include keywords related to your services for better search visibility. Next up is setting your price. Fiverr allows you to create multiple packages: basic, standard, and premium. If you're just starting out, set your prices low to attract those first clients and then raise them as you gain more experience and reviews. Think about what each package includes and make sure the prices match the time and effort you'll be putting in. For example, if you're a graphic designer, maybe the basic package is a simple design. Standard includes more revisions, and premium is a complete brand package. Clients love to see examples of your work. Fiverr allows you to upload portfolio samples for your gigs. Good samples can make a huge difference. They show your style, skills, and attention to detail. Remember, your portfolio is your big selling point. Once your gigs are live, you want people to see them. One way to get noticed is by sharing your Fiverr gig on social media. LinkedIn, Twitter, and even Facebook groups can be great for getting initial traffic. Networking is key. You can also join freelance forums or online communities where potential clients might hang out. Just make sure to promote yourself professionally and avoid spammy posts. Providing top-notch customer service is crucial for success on Fiverr. Respond to messages quickly, deliver work on time, and be open to feedback. Happy clients are more likely to leave positive reviews, which boosts your visibility and credibility. Good communication is key here. Answer questions politely, provide updates, and handle any issues professionally. As you start getting clients and good reviews, it's time to think about scaling up. You can add new gigs in other categories, raise your prices, or even offer add-ons like faster delivery or extra revisions. Scaling on Fiverr isn't just about taking more gigs. It's about improving the quality of your services and positioning yourself as a pro. You'll attract higher paying clients over time and build a steady income stream. And there you have it, a full guide on how to get started on Fiverr as a beginner in 2024. Follow these steps, keep improving, and don't get discouraged. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Drop any questions you have in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.